Question is delete a node, but the trick is head is not given. Okay, so what we want, we have a pointer to node which we want to delete, but we don't have a header. Okay, so how to solve this question? And in this question, the deletion node is not a last node. Okay, so if I want to delete this node, if I want to delete this node, okay, then the pointer is also given to this node like this. Okay, some temp is there. And so rule is, how can we do this? Just we will copy, first we will copy the next node data to this. Okay, and after getting this, making it 9, then we will delete this. Okay, we will delete this. So we will make it like this. So okay, so what we will do, let's say this is the temp. So what we will do, so we will copy temp value equals to temp next value. Okay, means 9 we copied. Okay, then what we will do, we will do temp next to this. So which node is this? This is the temp next. Okay, so temp next contain temp next. Okay, so this way. And third is delete the temp, delete this node. Okay, so give some name to this. This is the 0. So temp, so let's say this is the temp2 value, or some value like a position. Okay, so position is equals to the temp next. So this is the position. Okay, then delete the position. So in this way we can delete this. Okay, same thing is in this. So we will take a some temporary variable and node is given, which node we have to delete. Here the in this example the temp is equivalent to node. Okay, and temp next, same thing we did. Okay, so next question is, so in this question, the condition is it should not be the last node. Okay, otherwise we have to, if we delete this, then we have to put the null pointer. Then how we can put the null pointer to this? Okay, that's why the node should not be the next last node. Okay, now this question is a find the length of a linked list. Okay, so it is a very simple question. Let's see, this is the null pointer. Okay, this is the head. So what we did, we take a count equals to 0, and the we will take a current as a pointer which is pointing to this node only, head. Okay, so this is the current, and we will run the current till the it should not be the null. Okay, then first count plus plus. Okay, plus plus, then it move to this, then count plus plus, then count plus 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 plus, as like that it count to 4. That's then return the count. Okay, in this way we can find the uh, length of a linked list. Okay, now so what is this question? So this question is how to create a double linked list. So double linked list means this is the node. Okay, let's say this is the node, and this is the value, and this is the next pointer, and this is the previous pointer. Okay, so how to create this double linked list node? So let's see the structure. So this is the struct node. name of this class node, we will put the data integer type and pointer previous and next. Okay, so this is the constructor. If I want to put, if I write like this, so if I write like this, node 5, okay, new node 5, okay, then it will automatically create it. What it will create, it will pass this to this, then 5 is passed to data, and next is a null, previous is null, next is null. So, okay, so null value is in this. Okay, in this way we can create the structure of a node for a double linked list. Okay, now see the next thing, how to print all the node in a double linked list. Okay, how to print the printing of a all node in a double linked list. So how to print, so print all, this is the function we are passing the head. Okay, let's say we wants to print this, this is a two way. Okay, and here is a null and here is a null. Let's say there is a value 5 6 7. Okay, so we will take a, we will make a temp pointer as a head also, head and temp at the same place. Okay, now if temp is not null, then what we will do, temp data we will print. So temp data is 5. Okay, print, and we will move the temp to the next. Okay, so temp will move to this, then it will again print, then it will move to second, then it will again print, then it will move to the next, then it is a null. So so uh, out from this loop, so this value is printed. So in this way we can print the all the values of a double linked list. Okay, so see this insertion at the beginning. Okay, so how to insert the node at the beginning, how to insert the node at the beginning. So this is the double linked list, here is a null pointer. Okay, and here also null pointer, and here are the some value 3 5 6 something, and I want to print. Okay, oh sorry, I want to add this node, which is the some let's say this is the 4, and this is the null pointer. Okay, this is also null pointer. So how this will be created, so if we run this function, then it give a head. Okay, head, and temp is also head, temp is pointing to the same node which the head is pointing, and we will create the, this is the new is a keyword, remember this, it will create the memory segment of a node structure type in a heap. So we will pass the value, then by this line we created this. Okay, so now, so new node, this new node is name is new node. Okay, and we are passing the next node, sorry, new node next, in the next of a new node, this is the next of a new node, the head. Okay, like this, and what we are doing, and head is a new node. Okay, head is a new node. If this is the double linked list, okay, that we have to do one thing also. So previous of a head, we will pass head previous, what, the new node. Okay, new node address. So in this way. Okay, so both way it will connect it. So then make a new node as a head, then so we will add the node at the beginning. Okay, now see this, next problem is reverse the double linked list. Okay, so how to reverse the double linked list, wait and watch. Okay, let's see. Now see this, if I want to reverse these nodes, okay, this is the down linked list, okay, null pointer, null pointer, okay, and these are connected to this like this way. So here are the some value 5 6 7 8, okay. Now so what I will do, I will take some pointers. So what are the pointers I will take? So head is already there, okay. Then I will take a pointer, a temp which is pointing to same, okay. Then I will take a two another pointers, node struct type node, and p is 0 means null pointer, okay, and node q is also pointing to null pointer, okay. So we have taken the temp, head, p and q for uh, a node type pointer, okay. So what we are doing here, so first point is we will put the temp next to q, okay. So temp next to q, this way, temp next to q. So this is a temp, it's next is this. So I will put a q, okay. So move the q. Now so what we will do, then we will put the temp next. So in the temp next means this, temp next is this, and we will put the p, okay. So in this we will put the what, p is a what, null pointer, okay, null pointer, okay. Now we will put the temp previous, means temp previous is this, the r. So r is what, so this is the q now. So here q, this is the q only, okay. So this is q. So we will make this as like this, okay. Then temp is what, p is a the we will put the we will make a p as a temp, okay. So temp is pointing to this, so now p is also pointing to this, and r is we will make a temp as a r, okay. So r means q here, okay. So temp is now here, okay. So first step is completed. So watch what it's saying. So up to now what we make, this is like this, okay. This is the null pointer, this is the 6 7 8, okay. This is the 5. Now see, it's a next means this is the null, okay. This is the next, okay. It's a previous is pointing to this, and p is here, and temp is here, and q is here also, okay. Now again we will do this. So this is the code, okay. This is the code. Now watch, we will run this code, okay. So how to reverse, so let's take an example. Let's take an example, okay. So this is the example, okay. Now here are the 1 2 3 4, okay. Now these are the addresses 100 200 300 400. Okay, and this next is contain the 200, this next contain the 300, this next contain the 400, this contain the null pointer. Okay, this previous is contain the null pointer. Okay, and this previous contains the its address 100, and this previous contain the this address 200, and this previous contain the address of a 300. Okay, like this way. So these are connected. Okay, these are connected. Now watch. So I am making temp as a head and p and q as a null. So okay, so p is null here and q is null here, and temp is pointing to this head. Okay, and this is head also. Now this say temp next is not a null, so we will run this loop. Okay, so temp next is a queue, temp is here, next is this, so this is the queue. Okay, and temp next means this, temp next is this, and we will make this is a null. Okay, so null. Now temp previous means this, we will make a queue is what, 200. Okay, so we will make it 200. Okay, now so we will make temp as a p, we will make p as a temp, so here is a p now, and uh, temp as a queue, so temp is incremented to this. Okay, now so again we will do, so temp next is not null, so again we will do first increment the queue here. Okay, so queue is incremented to next, and I will put it's a next, temp next as a null. Okay, a temp next as a queue p. Okay, temp next as a p. Now this means what, I will put uh, what 100, and again, so what I will put temp previous as a q is this. Okay, so here is a 300 means this, and 300, and what I will make a temp as a p. Okay, so this now is a p, and temp is q as a temp, so this is the temp. Okay, now temp is this, uh, temp is now not this, and p is not this. Okay, again I will increment the q. Okay, like this. So temp next means this, and I will put it's a next means temp next is what, p, so p is 200 here, so this is 200 means this. Okay, and temp previous as a temp next. Okay, means q, so this temp, so this will become a 400. Okay, see this code. Okay, so I will make a p as a temp, so whatever the temp p is here although. Okay, and q as a temp, so temp is here. So check, is temp next is a null pointer? Yes. So if it is a null pointer, then if it is a null pointer, then this code will, this loop is completed. Okay, so we will come to this and find temp next is a p, so its next is a p. Okay, last, and temp previous means this as a null pointer, so we will make it a null pointer. Okay, and head is a temp, so head is a temp, and return the head, so return this head. So can you imagine this what it makes? So see this is exactly looking like this. Okay, so it's a be reverses. Okay, so this is the null pointer. Okay, this node means this pointing to this. Okay, like this. Okay, and this is pointing, it's a this node is pointing to this. Okay, this is pointing to this, this is pointing to this, this is pointing to this, this is pointing to this. So automatically it is reverse. Okay, so and this is now become a head. So in this way we reverse the double linked list. Okay, so next question is how to find the middle element. Okay, so this is very easy question. Okay, check this question. So wait. Okay, now see what I want to find. I want to find the middle element in the single linked list. Okay, so they have given the example. So if the total node is total node is 5. Okay, number of nodes is a 5. If total node is a 5, then what is the middle? So we can clearly say this is the middle. Okay, the total number of nodes are even number means 6. So the middle will be this. Okay, so middle will be this 4. Here in a number of nodes is odd, so middle will be this. So how to find this? So what we will do, we will use uh, two pointers. One pointer is moving the fast and second pointer is moving the slow. Okay, so both I and j is here, and one will jump only one place and another will jump two places. Okay, so we will return the slowest. So if it will reach to the last, then it automatically give the slow. So see this first, then it will jump to this and this will jump to this. Okay, second it will jump to this, it will jump to this. Now see, it will reach to the last. It means j next. J next is a null. Null. So we will we will return this ith node. Okay, ith node. So this will be the middle. For this for even number of nodes, then we will run this. This is the j. Okay, this will be the I, and again this will be the j, and this will be the I, and again it's means uh, it's a next stage of null. Okay, so it will be it and I will be this. Okay, so it will return like this. Okay, so for odd and even we will see the code. See the code. Watch this. So there is the two pointers, slow and fast, and if the head next is null, means there is only one node, so return the head. Okay, uh, if the so we will run this loop. If fast is null, okay, which is j, so here j is fast. Okay, and I is slow in our example. So if the fast is a null and fast next is not null. Okay, so what it's saying, fast is not null and fast next is also not null, then this loop will run. Okay, so for even number we will see this. Okay, for even number we will see this. So watch. So fast next, so there is a slow and fast. Slow and fast. Okay, so watch. If fast next is fast next, so it will become fast, and this will go to the uh, slow next to the slow. Okay, so this is slow now. And now check the condition. Fast is a null, no. Fast next is a null, no. So again it will jump to this, and slow will jump to this. Now check. Fast is a null, no. Fast next is a null, no. So it will go to another iteration, and it will go to this slow. Okay, now check. Fast is a null, yes, fast is a null, because this is the null. Okay, so we will return the slow. We will return the slow. So this will be the middle element. Okay, this will be the middle element. Reverse the single linked list. Okay, how to reverse the single linked list? Now see the, so we will use same, but whatever we have done in a double linked list, but there is some uh, some differences there. So like this. So this is the last node. Okay, null pointer, and this is the head. Okay, now so we have taken the temp is also pointing to the this is the temp, and p and q, two null pointers. P is a null pointer and q is a null pointer. Okay, now what we will do, if the head is null, means nothing is there, no node is there, so we will return the head means null. So for a zero node, if there is a head next is a null, means there is only one node. So there is only one node, then it is automatically reverse, so we will return this. Okay, so if these condition zero, if the linked list contain at least two nodes, then what will happen? So this loop will run. So this loop say temp, and temp is not null, then what it will do? Temp, yes, temp is not null, so temp next means this. We will put q, and and temp next means this. Now we will put the q. We will put the p. Okay, p is a null pointer. So this connection is detached. Okay, so now we will put p as a temp. So p is here, and q, we will put a temp as a q. So temp is here. Okay, so temp is not now this, and this is the p now. Okay, and this, it's a next is pointing to, it's a next is pointing to the null. Okay, now check null is temp is null, no. So we will shift this here. Okay, and we will make the, its next is pointing to p previous, and then we will make this as a p, and this as a temp. Okay, so it is not null, temp is not null, then we will shift this to this, it's a next to p, and we will make p here and temp is here. Now check, temp is not null, so we will make this, um, we will make q as a temp next miss null pointer, and so its next is pointing to p, and p will shift the p to here to temp, and we will make q temp as a q. So q already the null pointer, so temp will become a null pointer. So this condition will false, then we will out of loop, then we will return the p. So p means this last node. So this we will return. Okay, so in this way we reverse the single linked list. Now detection of a cycle in a single linked list. Okay, so we want to detect the cycle in a single linked list. So there will be the two cases: if the cycle is not present, if the cycle is present. Okay, so these are the two cases. These are the two cases: either a cycle present in a single linked list, or a cycle is not present in a single linked list. If not present, so we will do this by the this method, slow and fast method. Okay, so we will run the one pointer as a double double, and this single as a single single. Okay, we increment by 1 this, and we increment this by 2. Okay, so let's check if they in this there is no loop. So how to find? So j will jump to this, and I will jump to this, and j will jump to this, I will jump to this, and j will jump to this, then I will jump to this, then j will become a null pointer. So we will say, so there is no loop in this linked list. Okay, if loop is present like this node, so we will jump j to this. Okay, then I will jump to this, j will jump to this, next I will jump to this, j will jump to this, then I will jump to this. Okay, j will jump to this, then I will jump to this. So both will meet. Okay, both will meet. If the slow and fast will meet at some point of time, so we can say, so slow we can say that there is a cycle in a linked list. Otherwise, if one of them will meet the, if the first one meet the null pointer, then there is no cycle in this. So we this concept we will find the cycle. Okay, so see this code. Okay, see this code. So what this code say, there is a fast and slow pointer. Okay, if head is null, there is no, so false, there is no cycle. If head next is a null, so it is also false because there is only one node, so there is no cycle. Okay, so now run this loop. Okay, at least there is a two nodes, so run this loop. So if fast is not null and fast next is not null, so fast we will increment by 2, slow will increment by 2. If slow and fast become equal, then there is a some cycle is there. Otherwise, is there any condition false from this and this, then we will return the false. Okay, so in this way we can find the cycle in a single linked list. Okay, so now see this, find the entry point of a cycle in a single linked list. So I want to find entry point of a cycle. Okay, so what you mean by this? So this is the single linked list. Okay, like this. Okay, and this is moving like this. So see this is again coming to this. So this is the cycle now, and this node is a entry point. Okay, this is the entry point. So how to find the entry point this? Okay, so method is so this is the good method. First find the, there is a cycle meeting point. Okay, first find the meeting point. So in a previous question we did now, so slow is equals to the fast. When slow equals to fast, so it will become that node is a meeting point. Okay, that node is a meeting point. And so what we will do, so we will run the two entries. Okay, two pointers. Okay, so if this is the meeting point and this is the entry point, so we will make we will run both pointers one by one, this and this. Okay, this and this and this. So whenever the both will meet, then this will be the entry point of a loop or cycle. Okay, remember this trick. So whenever first we have to find the slow equals to fast, which is the meeting point. then we will run one by one from this, and we one by one from the head, and whatever they will meet, this will be the meeting point. Okay, so this is also in this code also same thing is happen. Okay, same thing is happen. So check, there is a slow and fast, and if there is no node, so return null. If there is only one node, return null. So fast is a null pointer, and not a null pointer. Fast next is also non pointer. Both condition is true, then we will run the fast and slow, and if the fast and slow will meet, so this will be the meeting point. Okay, meeting point. Then we will run the two nodes. So entry is not equal to slow, then we will make a entry to next and slow to the next. Entry means this. Okay, entry means this, and slow means this. It's next and it's next. Okay, so whenever they will meet, so it will be the entry point. Okay, so in this way we can find the entry point of a cycle, and this is the return if this condition is, if slow is not equal to fast, so there is no cycle, so no entry point. Okay, so next question is, find the length of a loop. Okay, so this is interesting. So what we will do, there is a two method. Okay, so what we did in the last, so we first find the slow equals to fast, which is the meeting pointer. Okay, which is the meeting node, and then we find the entry point of a loop. Okay, then from the entry loop, then we will run this again and find the number of nodes. Okay, so in this way we can find the number of nodes in a cycle, and second method is good. And whenever you find the slow meeting point, okay, whenever you find the meeting point means slow is equals to fast. So we will take a count from this. Let's say this is the meeting point. Okay, then we will count current. We will take a one pointer current, and count equals to 1. So count equals to 1, then current this, count equals to 2, the current this, count equals to 3, then current this, count equals to 4, current this, count equals to 5, then current this, count equals to 6, then current meeting to slow. So current, this is the 6. So how many nodes are there? 6. So in this way we can do with the help of current and count. Okay, so number of nodes we can find in this way. So this question is how to find the palindrome in uh, a single linked list. So palindrome means 1 2 3 3 2 1. So okay, so 1 2 3 4 3 2 1 like this. So whatever it is from starting, it whatever we are reading from front, then same we are reading from the last. So this will be the palindrome. Okay, like this 1 2 3 3 2 1, 1 2 3 3 3 3 2 1. Okay, like this 1 2 3 4 3 2 1, 1 2 3 4 3 2 1, like this. This is the palindrome. Okay, so we have to check, is a single linked list is a palindrome or not. Okay, how we can check this? So method is check, see the method what we will did. So we will find the first middle. Okay, middle of this, let's say this is the middle. Okay, even node. So if we find the middle, then we will reverse this. Okay, we will reverse this till last. So this will become like this. Okay, so one node, one pointer is here after reversing the right half, and one head is here. Then we will move one by one. Okay, and checking these value and this value. Okay, again and again. Okay, so if the this its value is 5, its value is 5, then we will move to next and next, then its value 3, its value 3, then move second, its value is same as its value. So we can say that this is the palindrome. So what we have done in this problem. So first find the half, then reverse the half, right half, then again one by one, checking its a value from last and front is same as or not, one by one mode. Okay, so in this way we can do this. So let's check this. Okay, can you check this? So what it's saying, so this is the single link list 1 2 3 4 4 3 2 1 node. Okay, so we have to check this is the palindrome or not. So first find the middle. Okay, so with the help of a slow and fast method we will find the meeting point, or we will find the middle element. So this is the middle. Okay, let's say this is the middle. Now reverse the second half. So reverse this, we already know the how to reverse the. Okay, so we will reverse this like this. Okay, now so one pointer is here. Let's say this is the temp 1 and this is the temp 2 or head. Okay, now the match, we will check this condition. Okay, we will check this condition. So we can say that, we can say that so while slow is not null means slow is this now, so we will make this, it's a next is a null. Okay, null pointer, and these are pointing, 3 is pointing to 4 already. Okay, and so check, and it's also its next is also null pointer. Okay, now check if slow data, okay, is equals to the head data. If slow data is equals to head data, so now it's, this is slow, so not a slow, this is the temp 1. Okay, and this is the head means temp 2. Okay, so temp 1 data is equals to temp 2 data, then we will move temp next and head next, so it will move to like this and this way. Okay, and same, compare this data and this data, yes, then we will move to this and this, then check, and again we will check, and this data and this data, yes, so we will move to this. So now check, this next is a null pointer, yes, so return the, it is a palindrome. So let's see the code, let's see the code. Okay, one thing, 1 minute. Okay, now see this. So we are making, we have taken the slow and fast. Okay, and p and q, and if head next is null means there is only one node, then automatically palindrome, so to return true. If this is not correct, okay, if this is not correct, then we will make a loop, while loop, and fast is not null, fast next is not null. Okay, so in this method we will find first the middle element. So slow is, if the slow is not null means there is a so so we will first find the middle, so slow will be the middle. Okay, slow will be the middle, we already discussed how to find the middle, so slow will be the middle after this loop. Okay, so now if slow is not null pointer. Okay, then what we will did, so we will reverse this. Okay, so we will reverse the second half. Okay, then we will make, so run this code. Okay, first run this code, then you will understand. Check this. Check this. Okay, now 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, now so this say fast is equals to null. So in this way we can find the middle. So this will be the middle. Okay, first loop we will find the middle. Then if slow is not null, if slow is not null, then we will reverse this. Okay, slow next is this, then q here, and in its next we will put the p, which is the null pointer. Okay, and so we will make this as a, so slow as a this, and make this p as a this. So in this way we will reverse this. Okay, so we already see how to reverse. Okay, so now slow will this, and so what we will did, so slow will become a null pointer and this will become a p. Okay, so in this way we reverse this. So this will looking like this: 1 2, okay, 3, and pointing to this 4. Now this is looking like this. Okay, and now and this, its next is a null pointer. Okay, null pointer, and this is this. Okay, now see, so what it say, so slow is now, p is now slow, so p is here and this is slow now. Okay, so if slow next and slow next, slow value, if slow is not null pointer and slow value is equals to the head, so head is here already. Okay, so it say slow value is equals to the head value. Slow value, this is the head value 1 and this is the slow value. Let's say its a value is 1 2 3 3 2 1. Okay, 3 2 1. So its a value is 1, slow value is 1, head value is also 1. So we will move one by one. Okay, check head value and slow value, yes, equal to 2, then we will move. Okay, every time we are seeing it's a slow is null pointer or not. Okay, so now, so check, this is this, and it's a next is null pointer. So this condition is false, so we will say yes. So if slow is equals to the null pointer, then it's a true. Okay, it's a true, so it is a palindrome, otherwise false. Okay, so in this way we did. So see the code, slow is not null, and slow value and head value is equal. Okay, so this is happening like this. If you are looking again, check this, this is the middle. Now it's the next is a null pointer. Okay, and we reverse this half, we revert this half. Okay, so 1 2 3 2 1, let's say. So slow is here, in at this point slow is here. Okay, slow is here and head is here. So it say slow is not null pointer, slow is not null pointer. So slow value is equals to head value. Yes, both are 1. Then slow is next and head is next. Okay. So this next, this next. Okay. Now, so slow is not null, and so we will check slow head, slow value and head value. So head is here. So both are equal. Then we will move to next. So check slow is not null. Yes, slow is not null. So we will move next. So slow next is a null pointer, and its next um, is also null pointer. Okay. So check. So slow is null pointer. Yes. So slow is null pointer. Then we will return it is a palindrome. Okay. Otherwise it is false. So yes, it is a palindrome because this is the 1 2 3 2 1. Okay. So in this way we can find the palindrome. So if you want to check time complexity, so first we reverse the half. First we find the middle, so it is taking order of n. Okay. Then reverse the half, so it roughly take this time order of n. Okay. And checking comparing both, so order of n, so order of 3n, so order of total time complexity. So we have not taken uh, any extra space, so space complexity is order of 1 only. Okay. Now check this. So what is this question? Segregate the odd and even single linked lists node. Okay. So segregate the odd and even. Okay. So check this, what they are doing. Okay. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 is here. Then I want to, in this question, first I want the odd ones. Okay. And then I want